Hey there! Welcome back to Legend Finance. Ready to take a thrilling deep dive into the world of day trading? This adventure is super thrilling, especially for our friends who are just beginning to dip their toes into the ocean of trading and investment. Day trading can be your ladder to financial growth, yet it's not without its twists and turns. So, little friendly advice. Have a chat about your financial dreams and schemes with a certified financial advisor or expert before you take the plunge. Their professional wisdom could be the magic key to unlocking decisions that are just right for you. At Legend Finance, we're all about getting you up to speed with the wide world of finance. But remember, each one of us is on a unique financial journey, so what helps one friend might not suit another. If our content is hitting the right notes and you're finding it useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. This way, you become an integral part of our vibrant and diverse Legend Finance family. We're all on this learning journey together, so feel free to ask any questions or share your thoughts in the comments below. So, are we ready to set sail and start exploring? The simplest strategy. Are you on the hunt for a simple yet impactful trading strategy? Here's a tip. Keep your eyes peeled for stocks making significant daily gains. Imagine a stock soaring up to 200%. Granted, such meteoric rises don't happen every day, but by snagging small chunks of these big leaps, you could land some pretty sweet profits. Now, if you're a rookie, you might be sticking to stocks with only slight shifts, but the minimal gains from these safer stocks may not quite cover the risks you're taking. This could create a bit of a lopsided situation where your average losses are tipping the scales against your gains. And let's not forget, such stocks can really keep you on your toes with their volatility, turning the trading experience into quite the roller coaster ride. So what could be a smarter game plan? Keep your sights set on the right stocks. Those big hitters and gappers, they're the ones with potential for some serious ups and downs. In this video, we're going to explore how to spot these stocks every day and dig into some killer trading tactics. Remember, this video is here to help lay down some solid foundations in trading strategies. As a team, we'll keep learning, keep growing, and keep making waves in the trading world. Live example. Ready to dive headfirst into an enlightening case study on trading strategies? Trading is a wild ride, full of peaks and valleys, victories, and valuable lessons. It's an art that gets better with time and practice. But let's remember, trading comes with its fair share of risks, especially for those just starting out. Easing in slowly, having a go with a simulator before playing with real money, and steering clear of the pitfall of following others blindly are all key. Together, we're aiming to nurture self-reliance and confidence in our trading choices. Let's talk about the gap and go strategy with a make-believe stock named Acme. Imagine Acme, thanks to some headline-worthy news like a mega partnership deal, seeing a hypothetical rocketing rise of 180%. These are the kinds of stocks that might make our hearts beat a bit faster as beginners. Bagging even a slice of a 100 or 200% movement could mean a hefty gain. On the other hand, a stock like Facebook, which might only rise by around 2.24%, might not offer the most tantalizing profit possibilities. On this trading journey, it's crucial to remember that we're not settling down with individual stocks. We're in a constant dance of buying and selling. We're on the hunt for stocks that make quick moves, usually spurred on by key news like earnings announcements, partnership deals, or clinical trials. As we continue our shared journey of learning and growing, we'll dive deeper into these potential catalysts. No matter where we're at in our trading adventure, let's seize the chance to learn, explore, and grow together in the enthralling world of trading. How to find the stocks. In the sprawling universe of trading, think of a market scanner as your trusty radar, zoning in on stocks that are making major moves. For example, a stock that leaps from $4.40 to nearly $5 might just pique your interest, but remember, timing is everything when you decide to jump in. The scanner's on the hunt for stocks that pick up steam fast, preferably with a solid catalyst to back it up. A driving force behind these big stock movements is the tug-of-war between supply and demand. Factors like strategic partnerships, a wallet-friendly stock price, and a smaller market cap can spark demand. Take, for instance, a stock with an especially low float, let's say 7.6 million shares, hinting at a tight supply. Pair this with high demand, and you've got yourself a tempting trading opportunity. When it comes to picking out the right stocks for trading, we're usually drawn to those priced between $2 and $20 with a float of less than 20 million shares. But remember, there can always be curveballs when stocks come with unique, game-changing catalysts. The top gainers spotted by the scanner usually show up on the morning watch list. We then put them under the microscope, looking at their historical performance through daily charts. Being part of a trading community can give you a peek into how people are feeling about a particular stock. And one last thing to remember, nailing your entries with just the right timing is every bit as crucial as finding the right stock to trade. Each decision you make is one step closer to honing your trading skills. How to find an entry? Looking for that first pullback is a popular move among traders. Here's the scoop. A 5-minute pullback that aligns with the volume-weighted average price and the 9-moving average could be your golden ticket for entry. But be on your guard after the second or third pullback. The risks might start climbing. The name of the game is to keep your eyes on the top percentage gainers each day and sharpen your entry precision. To trade on a 5-minute or a 1-minute chart is up to you. Both can offer unique insights. Remember though, in the world of trading, less can be more. If you're a newbie, dodge the temptation of overtrading and aim for that one solid trade a day. This will help build a steady track record, boost your confidence, and create a safety net before you dive into more active trading. Before you risk real cash, always take a spin with a simulator. One example is the gap and go trade, where a stock shoots up and keeps rocketing. But it's crucial to bear in mind that while keeping tabs on the top gainer each day can point you towards the right stock to trade, pinpointing the exact entries is still the puzzle to solve. Trading isn't a walk in the park, but the strategies we've mentioned can help streamline the process. Choosing the right stock to trade calls for both sharp analysis and strategic discipline. Besides keeping a close watch on the top percentage gainers, take into account other crucial factors like the overall market mood, the stock's recent trend, and any specific news or events stirring the pot. This 360-degree approach can give you a clearer picture of potential trading opportunities. When it comes to entries, not all pullbacks are created equal. Check out the stock's overall trend and search for pullbacks that match up with key support levels, which might offer more reliable entry points. Moving averages and volume-weighted average prices play a key role in pinpointing these crucial levels. Pair up these indicators to verify your trading signals. Don't forget to handle risk like a pro. Even with the sharpest strategies, not every trade will land you a profit. A winning trading formula includes robust risk management. Set firm stop losses and stick to them. Also, it's wise to only put a small chunk of your trading capital at risk on any single trade. Spreading your wings can also be a handy strategy. While focusing on top gainers can offer potentially high return opportunities, diversifying your trading portfolio can help balance risks and boost overall returns. And last but not least, keep a trading journal. Jot down each trade, including the strategy you used, the outcome, and any observations. Over time, this treasure trove of data can help refine strategies, spotlight strengths and weaknesses, and continually improve your trading game. Always remember that the road to trading success calls for patience, discipline, and a constant appetite for learning. It's not just about pulling off winning trades, it's about growing into a better trader over time. Thank you for watching Legend Finance. We hope you found our introductory overview of day trading informative and engaging. We aim to demystify the financial world and give you the tools to navigate it with confidence. Remember, every financial journey is unique, and yours is no exception. So whether day trading becomes part of your strategy or you choose another path, the important thing is that you're taking steps toward your financial goals. If you have questions about what we covered today or suggestions for future topics, don't hesitate to leave us a comment below. We value your input, and it helps guide our content. Now, if you found this video helpful, please do us a favor and hit the like button. Your likes help more people find our videos and empower them to learn more about finance. And if you haven't yet, consider subscribing. By subscribing, you'll get notifications every time we release a new video. It's a simple way to keep learning and growing in your understanding of finance. As we wrap up, remember that finance is a journey, not a race. Take the time to understand each step you take. Don't be afraid to ask questions to learn and to seek advice from financial experts when needed. Thank you again for watching. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, remember that no matter where you are on your financial journey, you have the potential to achieve great things. Stay informed, stay inspired, and above all, stay legendary.